Hello, in front of me I have CUBOT Note 7 and I'm gonna show you how to enter the recovery mode on this device. First we need to turn off our phone. To do it, press and hold the power button, then tap on the power off option and tap OK to confirm. After the phone turns off, we need to press and hold the power button and volume up button together. And when this menu appears, we can release both buttons. Now let's use the volume up button to scroll through the menu like this. Select the recovery mode option right here and press the volume down button to confirm. When this screen appears, we need to press and hold the power button and then press volume up button to continue. So let's press and hold power and then press volume up. And we should enter the recovery menu. To move through this menu, use the volume up and volume down buttons like this, and to confirm the selections, press the power button. In this menu we have options like reboot system now, reboot to bootloader, apply update from ADB, apply update from SD card, wipe data / factory reset, wipe cache partition, mount / system, view recovery logs, run graphic test, run local test, and power off. To exit this menu, you can select power off or reboot system now, depending what you want to do with your phone. If you want to turn it off, select the power off option. If you want to reboot it into a system, select reboot system now. I'm gonna select reboot system now and press the power button to confirm. And that's how you enter the recovery menu on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.